How to fix Snapchat memory not working. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you guys can fix your Snapchat memories not working. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So there actually can be many reasons why your Snapchat memory is not working. So first open up your Snapchat. If you tap on this icon, your Snapchat memories should open up like this. Or if you simply swipe up, your memories will pop up. But if that's not the case for you, there might be a network related reason. So for that, you can swipe down from the top right, check for your internet connection. After you have made sure that your internet connection is not the issue, what you'll need to do is just go ahead, go to your settings, and on your settings, scroll down. There you'll find general, tap on it, then there you'll find iPhone storage. After you're on your iPhone storage, search for Snapchat. Let's find Snapchat. There we go. Now offload the app. After you tap on offload and then tap on offload app again, you will then have to reinstall the app, which will clear out your cache memory. After doing that, your problem should be fixed. If not, come back to your settings again, scroll down, go to apps, and on your apps, search for Snapchat. It's right here. Tap on Snapchat, and on your Snapchat, under your photos, make sure that you give it access. Make sure it's not on none. You can give it limited access or full access. It's completely up to you. But make sure that it has access to your photos. After that, go to your app store. Then search for Snapchat. And after you search for Snapchat, if you see an update button like this, tap on it and update your app. Updating your app will fix different bugs or any tech related issues on the app itself, and that should fix your Snapchat memory not working as well. And that's all for today's video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye.